Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. This is Shantanu from ARTY KRAFTY. Independence Day is coming within a few days and you teachers want to make bulletin board design on Independence Day theme. Today I am going to teach you a very easy method to decorate bulletin board on Independence Day theme. So let's start. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe, and if there is any suggestion, please write it in the comment box below. Wish you a very happy Independence Day. See you in the next video. Bye.